Good, thank you. Now, in the last four, in the last few classes, we had discussed about MongoDB. We discussed basics of MongoDB. We discussed MongoDB Compass, how to do CRUD, create, update, delete, how to do read using find or find one, how to read a particular value like age greater than 30, salary less than 30,000. These things we have discussed till now, sir. Today we'll discuss more detailed operators, and we'll also discuss it like the next things, important things we need to discuss, the syllabus and all. Now, I will just give you a recap of what we have discussed also. Now, before I start, let's start with a simple story, sir. Now, today there is a little twist. Okay. Now, once upon a time, there was a girl called Jane. It's not John. Okay. Now, today it's not about the story of a boy. So, what is the name, ma? Jane. Now people are interested. They are focusing now. First time in the life they are listening story. Good. So every day the Jane wake up and without before brush she opens her Instagram and she started scrolling on the Instagram and she started seeing it the peoples who are having it like the perfect life, who are having it like some kind of dream life, who are having it like kind of a good house or good things, good luxuries, or good clothes, better whatever she have. She always feel these things. Whenever she saw some post in Instagram, she used to feel it like, oh, these guys are so lucky, or these people are so great, or these people are living it like my dream life. She follows all the celebrities. She watches all those people's their luxuries, their lives, and she felt somewhat insecure in herself. Is it clear, ma? Now, every day, every day, she kind of struggles to her life, but she posts some pics which were so perfect. She never smiles in her daily life. She has messy hair, normal average score, average clothes, or average home. But in her Insta profile, she is living something luxurious life. It's like a fashion magazine. She goes to different malls and keeps her pics in different poses. One day she went with her friend some tour, and those two people kind of took some 47 photos with 29 poses. And out of this 47, she selected one pic and again edited for another 47 minutes to post it in Insta. And she got it like 500 likes, and everyone are messaging it like you are living some dream life. Even they don't know that she is not. Funny thing, she even put a caption, love yourself, in that pic, which she is not. Ultimately, day by day by day, her passion increases more. And that gives her a reality check that she is not good enough. Every time she looks in mirror herself, some another beauty in Instagram used to tell to her on the face that you are not worth. Every time she is wearing some new cloth given by her parents, some another Insta model having it like something, kind of great clothes, used to feel it like something very bad to her. She felt very insecure that One day, she even wanted to kill herself because she is not good enough. This is not the story of Jane. This is a story of majority of the people, especially those youngsters. You know, do you guys know something called? Do you guys know something called Disney? You all know Disney worlds. According to me, Instagram is a Disney world. For those, Snapchat is like something more than Disney world. It's like Harry Potter world to me. We can't even know that exists. 100% it's not exist. Snapchat. The reason is because every picture got it some 20, like Instagram is okay, 10 to like kind of 5 to 10 filters. Snapchat is like 20 to 30 filters will be there on every pic. That is too much bad. The reason happens because of social validation. You can come here. Now, every time, you know, every time when people were getting ready, were people getting it their kind of, beauty standards, or getting it their kind of body standards, getting it their kind of food standards, getting it their kind of intellectual standards or success standards. People were comparing it and judging it based on their Insta status or based on someone other's Insta status. For example, some celebrities like the Priyanka Chopra or someone, or maybe posting it like some kind of luxurious things. That doesn't mean the struggle is not there. And that doesn't mean it has to be compared. Let me check the reality. See, I am 100% sure these things you all know. But few things I want to cover it up. Let's take it. Have you guys watched Fair and Lovely ad? I think you some people know it here. The craziest ad you ever see. You all saw that, na? Actually, there is something called Men also in the version. Fair and Handsome, they call. The ads are very similar. Some kind of, so good girl, but not kind of, looking good. She is good inside, but not good outside. And this girl started to going around, and everyone started to see it like a alien. Oh, you are not good. You are not good. Everyone, and she started to feel bad. Suddenly, she used Fair and Lovely, and she becomes more white than the wall. It's like sun is beside her. Evolution also. The face on the cream ad, that face will be there. Evolution. It's like in childhood evolution of monkey. How monkey raised to human being. That color girl becomes like white girl. Same evolution they will show. Same thing in men also. One black guy will be there, and no one treat good. Suddenly Shah Rukh Khan come and say it like Fair and Handsome use karo. Everyone is not Shah Rukh Khan. Even Shah Rukh Khan is not Shah Rukh Khan without the Fair and Handsome. That's what the ad means. Problem is, dear, we stopped it for ourselves. Whether you are, what color you are, what state you are, what background you are, that always it matters what your inner beauty. 100%. You also should see the inner beauty of others, and others also will see. If the others don't see, you don't need to think about it. Take it men. In men there is a standard. Like men should have it like good physique, men should have it like kind of six pack, men should have it like kind of great static, great thing like Hrutik or something kind of one. No, not all men are Hrutik. Our dads are not Hrutik. They raised as well. Our grandfathers are not Hrutik. They did more work and more things. Ratan Tata is not Hrutik Roshan, but he did so much achieved, not even Abdul Kalam. The same thing goes to women. When it comes to the women, there is a standard of beauty in the world. But believe me, sir, there is so much more of beauty than what you see than in people. I want all the women to raise up their world above these beauty standards. I don't want you to focus on fair and lovely instead of focus on your career lovely, something kind of one. Make your career glow like that vibe so that one day you will be in top stage. Almost 34% of CEOs in India are women now. I'm 100% sure none of the CEOs are using it that fair and lovely. Celebrities use it. And those people you don't even come to the Instagram. I'm not telling you to go away from social media. Saying it. Social media is same fancy world like Power Rangers, Disney World, Marvel, same like the social media. So don't believe it. Maybe one couple will post it like they are so good couple. Next minute they will fight about it. They don't post that. People post 1% good only, 99% bad. No one will post. Is it clear, my everyone? And that is the story of Jane. Let's start today's MongoDB. VS Code. Let's go here. Online people focused here. At some point, people come to understand that in beauty matters more. K drama beauty very good. K drama chod do re. K drama will be separate topic only actually. By the way, I love K drama. I don't know about the other people. I watch it. It's good actually. If anyone don't watch, I recommended something nice dramas. Watch them. There is nothing wrong in it. It's like old TV serials. If anyone like old movies of Telugu, you will watch it like the K dramas. Both are same actually. Now, anyway, let's start here. What we have discussed in the last classes, guys, everyone. MongoDB is a NoSQL. What does it mean by NoSQL, sir? Non-SQL. It's like NoSQL means non-structured query language. Sir, SQL works on tables. NoSQL works on graphs, documents, trees, objects. SQL works on RDBMS. NoSQL works on non-RDBMS. Example of SQL is MySQL. Example of NoSQL is MongoDB. And MongoDB is a NoSQL document-based schemaless. What does it mean by schemaless? Structureless. The schemaless means structureless. Schema is a structure. There is no structure in MongoDB. And how does MongoDB stores the data, sir? How does MongoDB stores the data? BSON format. Documents in the BSON format. BSON means binary JSON. Very good. Now, one can come here, ma. I think one is here. Oh, people in group. Good. Now, now, next one. Next one. In MongoDB, we use one tool. In MongoDB, we use one GUI tool. What is the tool name, sir? MongoDB Compass. What is the tool? MongoDB Compass. So if you have to download MongoDB, sir, you have to first download MongoDB community server and then you have to start MongoDB Compass. I recommend everyone to start it today only. Yesterday, one person after the class came to me and he just installed Workbench yesterday. Yesterday, he installed Workbench and asking it like how to install. So I don't have any words for that actually. But I recommend everyone to install the MongoDB Compass. Is it installed, ma? Good. In MongoDB Compass, we started with something called databases. Now, first command. How do you create database? Sir, in MongoDB, use database. Directly we will use database, sir. If I want to see all the databases, sir, show databases. But sir, is it possible to create database without collection? No. Then how to create collection? db dot create collection name. What does it mean by collection? Collection is similar to table. Table contains rows, collection contains documents. Like students will be one collection, employees will be one collection, products will be one collection. In that, each product will be one kind of document, each student will be one document, each employee will be one document. How do you delete collection? How do you delete collection? db.collection.drop. How do you drop database? db.drop database. What if I want to see all the collections? If you want to rename collection, db.collection_name.rename collection is also there. You cannot rename database even in MySQL or MongoDB. That is not possible. Next. Sir, I want to insert one data. If you want to insert it here, you have two commands. How many commands are there? Two commands. What are they? Insert one, insert many. What is the use of insert one? Insert only one document. So you will write it here db dot something collection name dot insert one, and you will give here object. Inside you will give object. What if I have multiple objects, sir? Insert many. Which one I will give in the brackets? Square brackets representing an array of objects. What if I want to update one? If you want to update one, update will take two values. How many values, ma? Two values. One is for selecting which one you want to update. First one is for filtering or selecting which one you want to update. Second one is for what you want to update. Sir, if I want to update something age is still now 18. I want to make it like 20. If I want to change the age, sir, which operator I will use there? Set operator. Which operator, sir? Set operator. Next. Sir, if I use update one, what will happen, sir? It will update only one. Imagine two Prasads are there. I am saying it update one with the name Prasad. Which Prasad will be updated? First one. Directly, can I update second one? No. You need to use ID, correct? Underscore ID. By default, every element will have underscore ID, which is created automatically. You don't create it. If I use update many, both the Prasads will be updated. Simple. Imagine two Prasad documents are there. I said name Prasad, delete one. What will happen? First one will be deleted. If I say delete many, both will be deleted. Last but not least, I want to print, I want to display, or I want to read all documents. How do you read all documents, sir? div.collection_name.find. Find is nothing but find many. Okay. What if I want to read only first document? Find one. Till now, anyone have any questions, sir? No. Next. Yesterday we discussed such as operators. In operators, we discussed relational operators. EQ means, NE means, GT means, GTE, LT, LTE. In is used for in that particular elements, kind of array of values, in the array of values. NIN means not in the values. Simple. Next, update. In update, we discussed set is for set a value, unset is for remove a field. Unset is for remove a field. Sir, in Prasad, see how it is doing unset? db dot collection name dot update one. Update one means only first one. Other Prasad. So first other Prasad will be selected. First author Prasad will be selected. For that guy, whatever price is there, that price I am unsetting. Price is I am unsetting. Unsetting means removing. So for that Prasad, price will not be there then. Any questions here? Online till now, anyone have any questions, ma? Is there any option for first two Prasad updation? No. Only first one it can do. Sir, it is case sensitive, sir. MySQL is not case sensitive, but MongoDB is case sensitive. It follows after JavaScript and it is case sensitive. That's why if you write it here, I will always show the difference between capitals and smalls. Update one, U is small, O is capital. Same way, insert one, O is insert many, M in update one, O update many, M find one, O. Those things were important. Any questions, sir? No. I hope online. Anyone have any questions, sir? Let's start here more. Compass. No. Let's go here. I am doing this one just to show you like every day. It doesn't mean you have to do it every day. Start here. Which one I have to click, ma? Save and connect. Barabar. Now I have it like four things. One is books DB. I'm just deleting it. Books DB. Now let's go here. Which one I have to open, sir? MongoDB. MongoDB shell also called in cute way. Mongosh. Simple. Now let's start here. I want to create one database. Use e-commerce. Automatically e-commerce scheme. In this e-commerce, I'm creating one collection db dot create collection, collection name, products. Now I want to insert some data inside the products, but inside the products, nothing is there. If I go to the internet, if I go to the internet, type it in internet. If you type it in internet, JSON, what you will type, ma? I think some people maybe don't know the JavaScript. If you know JavaScript, you will understand. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. What does it mean by ma? In online, in online, free JSON data will be there. So many applications, free JSON data will be there. One of the famous JSON data is fake store API products. Okay, if I type it here, JSON fakes, like if I type it here, JSON products in online, you will get it here. So many are there. Products, I will get it here. You can even say API. Now, so many JSON data is coming. I will open here fake store API. In this fake store API, now I will give you the link directly. I will directly give you the link. To 12. Link for fake products, fake products JSON. Okay. Online also I'm giving that link. Why I'm giving that link is if I go here, let's make it pretty. Can you see I'm getting so much data, so many products are there? By default, online so many data will be there. If you don't find it also, if you ask ChatGPT will give you the data. Data you can get it from anywhere. In real time, company will have the database. In real time products will be there in the company. Okay. So here I will just control C. I'm just copy pasting db dot collection name. I'm giving one collection name products dot insert many. Insert many. I'm pasting it here. Values. Enter. Now, if you see here, everyone, total how many products were created, ma? 20, not 19. 0 to 19. Right or not? I gave one array. In that array, 0 index will be there, first index will be there, second index will be there, total 19. That means total 20 products I gave. If you want it like CLS db dot collection name products dot find. Now it is printing it 20 products. The last one is the 20th product. Right now? Sir, you can even do something like this. Actually, we will discuss in chaining. Count. खाली count देता है. If you write dot count after anything, after any query, if you write a dot count, that count will give the answer for that, like how many documents it is returning in that query. Okay. We have group by, we have order by, we have limit, we have offset, everything. One by one will come after the operators. Till now, anyone have any questions? Online, anyone have any questions, sir? No. Good. Now, sir, I have all the products. The reason I'm bringing it, I just want it like for 2 minutes. We will just revise it, what we have discussed. Then we will start. Now, in these products, I want all the products whose price is greater than 100 rupees. I want all the products whose price is greater than 100 rupees. Tell me, db dot products dot price find. Correct. Find price again here greater than, sorry, dollar only. Yeah, dollar 100. Now these are the products whose price is greater than 100. Sir, there is one product called ID1. Na? For this ID1, I want to remove title. For ID1, I want to remove title. Anyone tell me, for ID1, how do you remove title? So I have to write it db dot update products dot update one. The condition is ID is 1, and you have to do unset here ID empty. Now if I ask, give me ID1, huh? Uh, I want to remove title, but I removed ID. Cha. Then how I will find Ray? No, in my mind, I'm thinking it like remove title, and I removed the another one. Okay, कुछ नहीं होता. I will go here. इसका ऑब्जेक्ट आईडी है ना anyway. Underscore ID. Anyway, here I'm showing now. No need to show here. Now see here. For this ID is removed, sir. देखो, इसको ID नहीं है because we removed. Any question, ma? Now give object ID one. No, object ID is different. Sir, MongoDB, there is no rollback. deleted. That's it. There is something called Mongo dump, which will give you like kind of backup, which we will discuss in the last. Till now, anyone have any questions, sir? No. Let's note it down the next one, sir. More updates are there. INC, INC. These all are update operators only. INC. It is used to increment, increment a certain value, a certain value to a field or same way d dot mul mul. It is used to multiply a certain value, a certain value, certain value to a field. These all are update operators, sir. Should be used with update, set, unset, these things. E dot rename. It is used to rename a certain value to a field online. Any questions? There is object ID is not updatable. No, object ID you cannot change it. You can, but object ID is not good to change, and that is of a special type, data type. Object ID is of a special data type object. Rename part for one value only. Yeah, you have to change one field name to another field name. You can do it like multiple also. All these things you can do it multiple. Let's do it, sir. A simple query. For example, increase all product prices by 100 rupees. Sir, whatever the product prices are there, for that prices, I'm giving 100 rupees increase. Like everyone's salary is increasing, or some person mark should increase. These kind of things I wanna do. That means products are already there. Existing product prices only you have to increase. That is considered as update. That is considered as the update. How do you do it, sir? Go here. DB dot collection name products dot update many Sir, why you am using update many? Because if I use update one, it will be update only one person. Sorry, one particular document only. Correct? Now if I go here, which one you wanna update, sir? I wanna update for all. Is there any specific condition? So empty karo. If I put it there, something category electronics in the first one, only electronic products increase ho jata. Right or not? First one is for selecting. If I keep it empty, all products are selected. Any questions, sir? No. Now, how do you want to update, sir? All I have to give is here dollar or NC salary 100, not salary. Sorry, price. Price. Name is price only, na price. If I do it here, how many documents were changed, sir? 20 documents. If I go here, originally what is the price here? But now what is the price now? Because products are increased per 100 rupees. Every product it happened. Sir, I want to decrease every product price. I want to decrease every product price 50 rupees. Did I tell you anything decrease one? Because there is no decrease one. Anyone think about it? How can you do it? Excellent. If I say it like increase minus 50. Any guess what will happen? Will it increase or decrease, sir? क्योंकि प्लस माइनस 50 प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस so minus 50 हो जाता. Are you all getting my point, ma? Now if I do it here, same way, if I go here 209 minus 50, whatever it is there, same thing it will be 159. Any question, ma? No. But sir, not 100 rupees, 50 rupees. I want to increase everyone. I want to increase 10%. I want to increase, बोलो 10% increase करना है तो कैसा करना है? Multiply, sir. Sir, 10% increase means you will do multiplication. You know basic maths, ma? 100 rupees product is there. I am increasing it like 10%. That means the product will become now 110. How it will happen, sir? This 100 should be multiplied with 1.1, which is like you know multiplied by 10 by 100. Sorry, 110 by 100, something kind of one. Right now? Are you all getting my point, sir? Simple, sir. Now I will do instead of in, I will write it here mul. Mul means 1.2. Correct only, huh? 120 by 100. Correct only, na? 1.2. 1.2 means I'm increasing 20%. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point? Any question here? No. If I do it here, let's do it. Now, if you go here, 159 like I don't know exactly 159 something like on around some 20%. How much it will be increased? That much it will be. This is what 20% increase of 159.5. It will only calculate it. Any questions here? No. Next, we even have it like round up and all those things also in the last. I will tell you, don't worry. Now, last one. Sir, if you want to decrease also same thing you have to do. Sir, if anyone, for example, anyone tell me decrease 20%, tell me what I have to do. Multiplied by minus ah. Arey, use your brain. Decrease 20% बोले तो multiplied by 0.8 रे. Oh, you were thinking in increment, decrement. So multiply, now you are doing it seriously. ऐसा नहीं रहता. So what you have to do is, if like if you are increasing 20%, one will become 1.2. Decreasing means you multiplied by 0.8. Barabar. Is it clear, sir? Online clear ma? Confused. Confused. So many people re online notes is there in the drive. Please check it, sir. Now I okay. To all the intelligent maths people, everyone focus here. 100 rupees item, if I increase the 20 percentage, that is nothing but 120, which is nothing but multiplied by 1.2. If I do minus 20 percentage, nothing but 80 rupees, which is nothing but multiplied by 0.8. That is what I asked. How many of you still have doubts in this? To all the people who have doubt, sixth class math book में रहता है रे वो. Maybe if you have brothers, study that. Seriously. So one more time I'm telling it, sir, when you are increasing it, so increase a value. When you are decreasing a value, use it with minus. When you are increasing percentage or decreasing a particular percentage, try to use mul, which is used for multiplication. Now, there is another thing called rename. If I want to rename a particular value, all I have to do is db dot products dot online people, please focus here ma. db dot products dot update many. No, update one is enough. Update one. Here I can do it like select one. Select here ID with 2. I wanted to rename. Which one you wanna rename? Price to cost. So go here. Now if you see here, go here, refresh. Now if you see ID 2, is there any price for this month? No, there is only cost. For remaining things, price is there, but this thing cost is there because I used rename. What did I use, sir? These are called update operators. Update operators are set, unset, in, mul, rename. These are the most widely used update operators. Online, anyone have any questions? Online, it's there. Please check it in the drive, sir. Online people who are worrying about notes, it's there in the drive. Please check it, sir. And also, please note it down in the class also, sir. Online people. Upload code also. I am telling it again. This is terminal. MongoDB code, you can't put it in the, like MySQL one. MySQL one code is also there. Okay. Online people, please focus. I will write it here if you want. db dot products dot online people, please write the notes, sir. Online people, please write the notes. Update many. Next. Here I have to increase the prices, sir. In which one I'm increasing it? Price 20. If I wanna decrease all product prices by 50 rupees. This is what I have done till now. All you have to do is increase with minus value. If I wanna increase all product prices by 20 percentage, mul price 1.2, rename price field to cost for id 2, for id 2. db dot products dot update 1. Here I will write it here, id 2 comma rename price dollar cost. In drive file I will share the text file. Already this one is shared, you can check it. This text file is there already in the drive. Anyone have any question, ma? Sir, here, sorry, here, wrong. Anyway, sir, anyone have any questions, sir? No? Next one. Next one. Logical operators. Logical operators. These operators are used to check the conditions logically 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 by combining multiple conditions. Sir, this is mainly used for combining the multiple conditions such as and. What is and? And will combine two conditions such that both conditions both conditions need to be true. Need to be true. In a case like I want it, I have it like two conditions. For example, I want all the people whose all the products whose price is greater than 500 but less than 600. So greater than 500 should be true, less than 600 should be true. I wanted both conditions should be true. In the cases where both the conditions should be true, I will use something called logical and, which is dollar end, or I can use or online, please note it down, sir. Online people. Or will combine two conditions such that any one of the condition any one of the condition can be true. Any one can be true. Any one can be true. Or and not will be true when its corresponding condition is false. Corresponding condition is false. You can also give something called nor. Nor represents not plus or. Online, any questions you can tell me, ma. I'm giving the time. Please note it down. Done, ma, online. Good. Now, sir, let's do some small examples, sir. Let's have a note. Is it done, ma? Please note it down. No worries. No worries. Aram se note it down. Now, let's go here, sir. Guys, let's go here. Find the products. Let's do it like small queries. Find the products whose price is greater than 500 and less than 1000. Find the products whose price is greater than 500 and less than 1000. How do you find the products whose price is greater than 500 and less than 1000? Is like, go here, db dot products dot uh, find find I want products. um for that I will use and. Which one I'm using, ma? And will use two conditions. If you are using two conditions, keep those conditions inside the square brackets. So that is kind of a list. In this, I will have two conditions, sir. Till now, anyone have any doubt? Only problem with MongoDB, majority of the people will have it like is confused with the braces. So that's why I'm writing it chota. First, one brace in that logical end. Logical end is having it like square brackets. In that square brackets, you are having two documents, which two kind of conditions. First condition is, what is the first condition, sir? So price, again, for price greater than 500. Here, price less than 1000. Online, anyone have any questions, ma? आराम से देखो. Most people will confuse in the braces only. If I do this, I will get it here. Just a minute, I will show you. Focus here, note it down. db dot products dot find. Braces are very important. Which brace I'm opening, which brace you are closing, everything thing. Anything open should be closed. Good. Done. What if, sir, someone asked you, I want products whose price is either less than 200 or greater than 800. I want products. I want products. Find the products whose price is less than 200 or greater than 800. Anyone guess, sir? Which one I will use? Or which one I will use, sir? Or, or. It will print it all the items whose price is less than the 200 or less than 200, less than 200, less than 200, less than 200, less than 200. This is greater than 800. Greater than 800. Huh? Why 778 came? Huh? This is coming for 1001, no? 136. Now what is the condition here? Okay, I did wrong condition. Shh. Price less than 200, greater than 800. I didn't observe that. I just changed only that R, na? Correct. Now logically true. So it's like less than 200 or greater than 800. Now good. Clear? Now next. Please note it down. Now everyone see this. I want I want all the products except category. I want all the products except category. Uh, you know, category electronics. There is a product called category electronics. Except category electronics, I want all the products. Which one I will use, ma? You can use category not equals to. That also works. Or not. Not will take only one condition, na. So I will use it here. Category electronics. So except electronics, every other thing will come. Except electronics, every other thing will come. Online, anyone have any questions? Online or offline? Any questions? Oh, you want me to explain? I thought not visible. Now, see, in products, I am finding, like if I give it here category electronics, what will happen? Only category electronics will come, na? Every product have one attribute called category. If I give category electronics, only category electronics items will come. But I'm saying it not. That means except this, wherever this condition is false. For example, first one category is something books. Books is not electronics. Where condition is false, so it will print. Wherever condition is false, this condition wherever fails, except category electronics, every other product will come. In that case, I will use not. Online, any questions? Online, please note down the answers, sir. Online people, please note down. Good. Next one, sir. Next one. Find the products which are not electronics. Next. Another operator. Exists. Exists. It is used to verify whether whether a particular field is existed existed in the document is existed in the document or not or not. It returns values or documents of existed value existed value. Now, next, what does it mean by existed, sir? If you see here, sir, I have it like 20 products. Does all products have price, sir? Guys, I put 20 products now. Do you think all products have price? No. One product I removed price and changed it as cost. So all products are not having price. I am just asking because there is a rule. Like, sir, in Instagram, some persons may be having it like phone number, some maybe may not having the phone number. That is the main logic of MongoDB. There is no structure. One person might have, one person might not have. I want only the things which are having it. All the people who are having phone number value क्या है? कुछ भी. But phone number है. If anyone have that field, bring them. If anyone have the field ID, bring them. If anyone have the field price, bring them. In that case, you will use something called exist. What you will use, ma? Exist. Now, if I write it here, find all the products which contains price field. Price field. Online, please focus here. Now, if I go here, db dot find, I want here, I will say price exists true. Now, if you see here, all the items, all the items which contains, all the items which contains price. Question is price only, na? Question is price only, sir. Now, if I go here, sir, does second item have the price, sir? No. If I go here, you can see it here in the answers. I will show you in the answers. Sir, see, this is first product, sir. First product. This is third product. The second product is not coming. Why second product is not coming? Because second product is not having it. Same thing, I will do it in reverse. I want all the products which contain cost. Which contain? Now, which one will come, sir? Only second product will come, na? Because only second product have price. If you remember earlier, I changed price rename to cost. Only second product आता. So which persons have phone number? Phone number value छोड़ दो. Phone number है. Which person have email? तो email क्या है वो छोड़ दो. Email है. In that case, I will use this. We even have advanced ones. For example, anyone here know something called regular expressions? You can even use regular expression with something called regex. 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 db.find find title regex cap a cap m. If you see here, you know what will happen? It will bring all the products which are starting with M. If anyone don't know the regexer, I will tell you some small things. In programming language, they will teach you. Cap means start. Cap means dollar means end. Dollar means basic things. I'm not going in too depth of it. Okay. The most things you will know about the MongoDB, how much you know, that much I'm giving it. Dot means any letter, like it can be any kind of one. It's wild card. Anything it can be. Asterisk means at least zero. At least zero. Plus means anyway we will do it like in the final queries we will do this, but at least one plus means this is somewhat advanced. Majority of the times people don't do this, but thoda advanced one. When we do the aggregation framework, I will show you like in practical also we will do it. Till now, anyone have any question, ma? Online, does anyone have any questions? Not only Python, every programming language will have regular expressions. Regular expression is how the system understand actually. Patterns. It is used for patterns basically. Okay. Now let's do it, sir. Let's do it something more queries. Noted, ma? Now, sir. Till now, till now, we used find. We used find for only filtering. Filtering. We can even select which ones to print and which fields to print. Sir, if you remember, till now we are always doing select asterisk only. All documents are printing now. Like for example, I said it exists, price exists. All the items with the price exists is coming. If you see all the questions I gave till now, all queries, we are using all only. But sir, I don't want it. I want it like don't print everything in a document. Print only title or price. Title, price only print. Don't print full document. Like in select, you remember select name, color, salary. Without printing the whole table, we used to print only those two things. Like that, we can also do it. If you wanna do it, sir, all you have to do is first. Let me write it here. db dot uh, products dot find. If I give empty braces, anyone guess what will happen if I give empty braces? All will print now. Correct. In second, write it second one. In this second one, write it here. Title colon one. Title colon. That means title is true. Title is, if you give titles will come. Now can you see titles are coming? But sir, can you see something also coming? Did I ask underscore ID? By default, underscore ID will print always. If you don't want underscore ID to print, then you have to write it here. Title 1, comma, underscore ID 0. If anyone don't know what is it mean by 1, 0, when I told you first day, I told 1 means true, 0 means false. By MongoDB understand everything in a binary format. This is binary JSON. Online, any questions here? So now it will print all documents, but in that documents, which one it will print, sir? Only title. Any questions here? No. So here, if I write it here, db dot products dot find, I'm giving here all comma. Here I will give it here title 1 underscore ID 0. It's not rule, it should be like your wish. Now, sir, I want to find count. Everyone see few things. Okay. Chaining functions. There are some chaining functions. Like first function, count. It will return number of documents in previous query result. Actually, we will do aggregation framework. People don't use chaining functions. People use aggregation framework. But I'm just telling you this is possible. Later, anyway, we will do aggregate framework after this. Count will return number of documents in the previous query result. Find the products. Find the products whose category is electronics and display number of products. Sir, indirectly I'm asking how many products are having the category electronics. How many products are having the category electronics? db dot products dot find db dot products dot find. What is the category, sir? Category is electronics. If I do this, what will happen? All the products with the category electronics will come na. But in that, I want how many are there. That's to count. Count karo kali. Online, any questions, sir? See, we were actually going slow. If anyone having it any doubts also, you can tell me. I will repeat them. I want people to have good knowledge about the DBs, because if you know databases, if you know it like basic communication skills, directly job will come. For example, you don't need to learn full Python to get the job. Believe me, all you have to know is programming basics, logical thinking. Databases are must and should. Simple. Then you will get it. After getting the job, anyway, it depends on your project and it depends on your thing. 90% of the times, if you to crack an interview, they don't go for too depth. Like, no one will ask you real time how the Django you develop it's in front of me or something kind of one. They will ask you like how it will work, or what are this. Those kind of things you can just learn in interview questions also. MongoDB or MySQL, they will ask you to write queries. 90% of the times they don't even ask queries for MongoDB. MongoDB very basic they will ask, because MongoDB is more of a theoretical they will go, because practically it's very easy. Load balancing, caching, those kind of things MongoDB people will go. He practically this is children's play. If I don't teach you this also, this count one will not take much time for you to figure it out. MySQL they will ask join subqueries, क्योंकि वो दिमाग का काम. I want people to learn it and especially see that role. Like last day we tried something called data analyst. See the Power BI. Did anyone tried Power BI, sir? How many of you downloaded and tried Power BI? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Out of 100 people, 10 people, 10 percentage. Okay, 10%. Okay, they will anyway get the job. Remaining people, sir, क्या है? देखो, do you know how much time it will take for you to learn Power BI? 1, 2 hours. Believe me, it won't take much. It's a tool like Paint. Believe me, that much simple it is. And start your things taking seriously, ma. Don't waste your time. I recommend everyone to start it now. Anyway, let's start. Count. Sir, I have Tableau and Power BI. Which is better? Then why Institute tell months, sir? This is the point. See, Beko, Institute will tell in months. Take it this logic. Yeah, that is logically true. How much time you think the MongoDB will take? 4 5 hours MongoDB pura khatam hota. I am telling you, MongoDB will take it 9 days in our course. You know why? Because I have to explain doubts aata. I have to explain the doubts. Notes will be there. I have to give the notes, and I have to not tell all concepts in one day. Imagine I started MongoDB today, and at the end of the class I said MongoDB katham. People will panic. People will be like something, some kind of kind of crusted. But it's not real. Take it like one Udemy course. Believe me, in one go they complete. If you don't have this compassion, sir, believe me, it would be very difficult. Uh, I started my career with the Java. I am a Java developer. One day they got it React project. You know, they gave company gave me Udemy classes. Company will give everyone Udemy access. 48 hours of React. We did it like kind of 3 4 days, 48 hours of React class, and then we started doing the project. Because there is no time. Manager will not be like, no, learn slowly, take a notes, draw the margins. कुछ नहीं होता उधर. Learn it, do it the project. बराबर. Institute will tell 9 months, Ray. You will sit in Amirpet for 9 months. Institute is for push. Faculty is for push. It's not. Don't depend on people. Are you getting my point, ma? You can even chart with the chat GPT. Those things will be more better than this. Okay. Best book for MongoDB. Learn it books. 2 days of React easy. 100%. I'm telling it now. 2-3 days you will learn everything. So I will find it here. Category electronics. Electronics. So I will get all the electronic items now. Here, all the electronic products. But I don't want all the electronic products. I want it like how many are there? How many electronics are there? 6. Any questions? No, sir. Now, sir, I want to sort them. I want to sort. If I write it here, if I write it here, electronics, everyone sees, sir. First electronic, what is ID? 9. Price is something 136. Then next 10, 11, 14. Okay. Now I will sort them. Everyone see my query. I will write the query. Category electronics. In this also don't print everything. I want ID to be true. Underscore ID to be false. Price to be true. Any doubts in this? Electronics, I want to print ID. I want to print no underscore ID. I want to print the price. Now, total 6 products are coming. Right or not? Now you know what I want to do. By default, they are in sorted based on ID. Actually, they will be sorted based on underscore ID, not ID. Okay. Now here, I want to sort based on price. I want to sort based on very simple. Write it here dot sort. What is the name? Sort के brackets है उसके अंदर. Which one you want to sort based on? Price. If you give 1 ascending order, -1 descending order. Now I will give 1. If you see here, 136, 190, 196, 778. Oh, they are in the same order already. Now I want it descending. That way it will be better. Can you see here, sir? What is the first product? 1 to something like 14, 1 to 59, then 778. That is because based on the price, I am decreasing. That is called descending order. Dot sort. Dot sort. What is the first product? What is the first product here? ID 14, na? Then I can do more interesting. I can say here dot skip. These are called, see, these why they are called chaining function means one thing will go to another chain. I am sorting all 6 products are hai. First product is 14. I am saying it like skip 1. Any guess what will happen? First wala skip hota. Now how many will come? 5 only na. First that 14 wala will not come. Dekho. That 14 wala will not come. No sir, I don't want 5 also. I want only 2. Then I will use something called dot limit. What I will use? देखो इतना easy है वो in MongoDB. In MySQL, there is like kind of a execution way, like which one execute first, which one execute next. MongoDB ऐसा नहीं है. Which one you write first, that will execute बराबर. In the same order it will be. Because MongoDB is related to programming. Online, any questions here? Can we skip less than 500? No. You don't skip based on condition. You skip based on number. You don't skip based on condition. You skip based on number. Like already based on one condition, you are getting some products. In that products, how many you want to skip? Like for example, skip the first 2, skip the first 5. You can't skip middle ones. You can't skip random ones. You can skip only first 10, first 5, first 2, first 1 kind of one. Limit is like how many you wanna print. If I say limit, it will limit. Now everyone see, guys, see my query. First one, category electronics. What is this? Only category electronics items will come. In these items also, what you wanna print? ID, and I don't want underscore ID. I want price. So ID price only printing na. So here, how many answer came? 6 products are coming. In the 6 products, I am doing sorting. What I'm doing, sir? Sorting. Sorting based on price. In which order, sir? Descending. If you want ascending, 1. Descending, -1. Now see, they are in descending order, sir. Now also I got 6 products with the descending order. But in this descending order, I said skip 1. Skip 1 means first one will be skipped, na? Then which one, how many will come now? In the said, I said limit to 2. That means I want only 2. That is the answer. Pretty straightforward here. There is nothing, depth or something kind of one. It's very pretty straightforward. Online, any questions here, ma? It's like easier than my. It is easier than MySQL. That's what I'm telling, na. Now, anyone have any question, ma, in this? Anyone have any question? No. So, everyone, do one thing. Everyone, try today one kind of experiment. You all know Python, na? In Python, you do any basic program, any chota program, like taking one input or something kind of one, you know that now how to do. Take it any kind of data. Try to connect that data with the PyMongo. What is that, ma? PyMongo. In internet, if you go, PyMongo will come. Pip install PyMongo. It will be a driver, PyMongo driver. Then you connect PyMongo, and PyMongo client is, they will ask you Mongo URI. Mongo URI is localhost 27017. There your MongoDB is running. Then whatever in MongoDB, put one products list. Print that in Python. Simple. If you know REST APIs, put it in HTML only. More easy. If you don't know REST API, do it with Python only. Simple. Is it clear, my everyone? Anyway, on the last day, I will show you this. Okay. Online, any questions here? No. How to connect? If you want to know, all you have to do is, if anyone want to know how to connect, go here and type it here, PyMongo. You will get it, sir. PyMongo. They will give you the documentation of PyMongo. Just to start it, sir. Basic commands. Pip install PyMongo. Then where are the commands? Yeah, this is the code. For this connection string, you will write it here, MongoDB, localhost MongoDB with 27017. Any questions? No. That's it for today. Thank you all. We'll meet tomorrow for more. Bye bye. Online, any questions? You can tell me, sir.